What's up, guys? So today I filmed this second look in my Star Wars series. This is the Sith, the Empire, the Dark Side. I did very vibrant red and blacks in the eyes, and I finished it off with a black lip. I used these Wet n Wild liquid cat suits. I love them so much. This video is not sponsored by them, but you guys definitely have to go check these out. They're amazing. Yeah, I wanted to get this video up a little bit closer to the premiere of The Last Jedi, but as you can see, that didn't happen. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun filming it, and let's get on to the video. To begin, I'm using my Urban Decay Chill Setting Spray to prime my face and getting it ready for makeup. Next, I'm going to be using my favorite Smashbox primer all over my face to prep it for foundation. I'm going to be picking up my MAC Pro Longwear foundation today. My shade is in NW20. For concealer today, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Born This Way. I'm using the shade Light. To set everything in place, I'm going to be taking my Laura Mercier translucent powder and putting it all over my face. To prep my eyeshadow look, I'm going to be taking the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk, and I'm just going to be applying that to my lid and blending it in with my finger. Starting off, I'm going to be taking MAC Soft Brown as my transition shade. Going in with my BH Cosmetics palette, I'm going to be grabbing this beautiful red color and placing it all over my lid. Next, I'm taking a red with a little bit more blue tones in it and placing that in my crease, blending out the first shade. Going back in with the first shade we used, I'm going to be using that to blend those two together, along with adding a little bit more vibrance to the lid. Once that's all nicely blended together, I'm going to be going in with Max Carbon and placing it on the inner quarter and outer corner of my eye. Be sure to take your time when it comes to blending black eyeshadow, or your look can go from stunning to punched in the face in the matter of about half a second. I'm going in with a little bit more of that red shade on the middle of my eyelid to add some more vibrance, and taking a fluffier brush to blend it out. Going in with my Urban Decay Perversion eyeliner, I'm going to be lining my waterline along with my Kat Von D liquid tattoo liner. In Trooper, I'm going to be doing a small cat wing as well. I'm also going to be taking that red shadow we used along with the MAC Carbon Black shade to blend out my lower lash line. Going in with my falsies, I'm going to be using the Ardell Demi Wispies today. I wanted to use my other lashes, but I actually forgot to pick more up. So I'm going to be applying a coat of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and then just adjusting my lashes once they're set. Bottom lashes need love too, guys. Don't forget about them. Going in with my Bare Minerals Well Rested Powder Concealer, I'm just going to be brightening up my under eye. Finishing off my face, I'm going to be taking my Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. I finally hit pan on it, and there's that like inner little fairy inside of me that's like super proud of myself. And for blush, I'm going to be taking my oh, this is not blush. So for contour, I'm going to be taking the NYX Taupe blush, and I'm going to be using that on the hollows of my cheeks, my temples, my jawline, all the places to contour, because I want this look to look very chiseled and dark side. For blush, I'm going to be using my all-time favorite e.l.f. blush, and I'm just going to be placing this on the apples of my cheeks. I believe the shade is called Tickled Pink, by the way. I'm also going to be using the e.l.f. Baked Highlighter in Moonlit Pearls. The end of this video gets cut out because my camera died, so I'm actually missing the part where you see me fill in my lips. But I used the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit like I said. I hope you guys like this video, and see you later.